How to refinance your loan with Fifth Third Bank. First of all, review your current loan details and determine your refinancing goal, whether it's to save money, pay off the loan faster, or change your monthly budget. Next, visit the official Fifth Third Bank website and navigate to the loan refinancing section. Choose the type of loan you want to refinance: auto, personal, or another eligible loan. Then, start your application by logging into your online banking account. If you are not already a customer, you may need to visit a branch or create an account to continue. After that, fill in your existing loan information, including the current loan balance, term, and lender details. Also enter your updated personal and financial details such as your income, employment status, and credit history. You may also be asked to upload documents like recent pay stubs, proof of residency, and a copy of your current loan agreement. Make sure all your information is correct before submitting. Once submitted, Fifth Third Bank will review your application. If approved, they will offer you new loan terms. Review the interest rate, loan length, and monthly payment carefully. When you accept the offer, Fifth Third will pay off your original loan and replace it with a new one. Your repayment will then begin under the new terms, and you can manage everything through online banking. And that's it. Now you know how to refinance your loan with Fifth Third Bank. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.